welcome to my channel. If you are visiting for the first time, please click the subscribe button to get update videos. And if you are not visiting for the first time, please do well to also click the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet. And don't forget to like and share the video for others to learn from it. So this one we are working on the charging ports. You have to refix the charging port. The charging port is damaged. So this is the new charging port I'm going to fix. As you are seeing it, I'm just pulling it off out of the boxing. She said that I don't worry already, never lets me down. So first of all, I'm going to clean all the dirt on the charging port tag for LED to be able to contact on the charging port LED, charging port tag. I mean. My heart, she's deserving a crown. Show my God, you worry, don't you see how you want to go away, mama. Oh, she know the time. Oh, mama. So you might be wondering what is on that PCB holder. That is magnet. I glued to the PCB holder for it to be able to hold the charging port for me. This is just to avoid the charging port from dancing up and down. And when you are doing this, you have to be very, very careful not to use the soldering iron to damage the charging port. Now to fix the board on the PCB holder, just for me to be able to remove the old charging port easily. This to avoid the board from dancing up and down while I'm able to remove the old charging ports. Applying floss is very, very important. This will make your work very easy. Like this now, applying the floss will make it remove easily without stress. Sometimes we don't apply for the floss, the lead will find it difficult to melt down. This floss help it melt down easily and make it remove easily without stress. And you need to be mindful about how you use your blower. You have to be very careful against other components that are around the charging ports. So I'm applying floss again just to clean up the dirt that is on the board, because this will support the charging port in contacting where there won't be anything like partial contact. So I have to clean up the old lead that is on the board and apply new one. For this to be more better, I'm supposed to use the soldering wick, but I'm out of the soldering for now. Instead, I'm using needle to through the hole for me to be able to fix the charging port easily without stress. Because without through the hole, it will be very difficult to fix the charging port into that because of the charging port tag.
Get free music on mdundo.com.
And you have to be very, very careful when you're using the needle. Don't use the needle to scratch up the charging port tag. that charging port part on the panel. You have to be very careful. So unfortunately, I found out that the charging port tag is a little bit wider than the O on the board. So I have to adjust the charging port tag for it to be able to fix perfectly.
First, let me tell you, I cannot wait to see you. You are the treasure I've been waiting for. Do you know how much I really need you? I dey pray for the day when I
So while fixing the charging port right now, you also need to be very, very careful. The temperature of the blower matters, the air regulators matter. So you have to make it at the right measurement of the air and the right measurement of the temperature so that you won't burn the charging port, because there's some plastic in the charging port. If the blower is too hot, it can burn the charging port and the charging port will stop working.
finally kiss you, you know, say every day I pray for you. Oh, in my heart, too, there's a permanent place for you. That's why my heart it a beat like do, can. 'Cause now you are true, so I am very I sing for you, wanna be like you.
Don't forget, this is DAMLEXSTECH communication. You can reach us through YouTube, Gmail, or TikTok. There are a lot of our videos on TikTok. Just go to your TikTok and search for DAMLEXSTECH.
Baby, now you are gonna be my very
And also, Flux is your friend while you are working. You need to be able to use Flux for your easy work. You won't have stress when you're using Flux a lot.
Don't get me wrong. See, I may not give the world to you, but I'll give you what I have. Oh, baby, oh,
Although I've already soldered the charging port, but I'm resoldering it to be able to confirm if the charging port tag is well soldered. This is to avoid partial contacts.
I get it. Would you really me? Shall you not say every day I pray for you? Oh, in my
And avoid any of those tags to bridge. Those two tags you are seeing that are bridged together on the board, that is for antenna. In case the antenna got damaged, you can also use your USB cable as antenna.
That's why my heart it a beat like do can. 'Cause now you are true, so I am very I sing for you, wanna be like can. Baby, now you are gonna be
I'm also desoldering the charging port tag just to confirm that the charging port is 100% fixed on the board. This is to avoid charging port from pulling off while the customer is trying to fix the charger.
I am very only for you to be like I sing for you, my baby, do do
I'm also soldering this thing again from the back just to be 100% sure of the soldering, to be sure that the charging port is well fixed on the board. You might see all this in a stress, but this is for you to be 100% sure of what you are doing. This will give you guarantee and confidence while you are discussing with your customer, because some customer might bring it back that this charging port you fixed for me is broken, you didn't fix it well. All this thing is for you to be able to be guaranteed, to be confident about what you did. If this charging port should remove, It should be either it remove with the panel. If it peel off with a panel, that is definitely sure that the person that fixed the charger while they are facing the charger is not very careful while facing the charger. But if the charging port remove only without peeling off the panel, definitely the charging port is not well fixed. So as you can see now, the charging port is fine, okay, and the board is working perfectly.
Wanna make love on the move, dancing to my tunes. Easy too much, it's not too much. I wanna be in forces.
So now I'm assembling the MP back just to test the final testing before I couple everything.
These were horses, easy too much, it's not too much. If I want money, I do what I practice. If I want money, I'm all by my shoulder, I'm all by my foya, I'm all by me. Yeah, yeah. I wanna be a billionaire, billionaire, yeah, yeah. I wanna be a billionaire, billionaire, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, anybody, oh, anybody, oh, yeah. Ọ̀kadà lórí méjò, lórí méjò, oh, yeah. Oh, I wanna.
And while you're fixing the speaker wire and other wire, this one now is battery, speaker, and LED. That LED is just for display. So some panel there will be shiner language on the board. So for you to be able to identify the speaker, you look for the sound IC. The sound IC speaker wire, the speaker wire is always close to the sound IC. So that's easy for you to fix the speaker wire. As you can see now, you can see the LED that is on. That is for the third wire, it is for that LED. So thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share for others to learn from this too. Thank you.